Alright, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo, just came in. And today's video is brought to us by the Buffalo Bayou Brewing Company, makers of CowBell. It's a double IPA. Unfortunately, this company's in Canada, and this beer is very hard to find or to get. So let's take a look at the Zippo. Came in the nice little white box. Made in Bradford, PA. And the barcode label says Santa Cruz. And on the inside we find the normal Zippo black box with no label. The barcode label is on the box now, on the white box. And you can see it's a genuine Zippo, and it's got the idiotic P65 warning on it. So this is the Santa Cruz logo. They make a lot of skateboards and other gaming stuff. They have their own logo, the NHS. So that's a collectible insert. Here is the Zippo. It's on a white matte finish. And this was made in D of 21 or April. Really good stampings on this. Fires up nice. Good sound with a steel insert. Let's do a drop test on the Santa Cruz hand. I like it. It's different. It's radical. And it passes the drop test. And that deserves maybe just a little cowbell. I don't misplace my cowbell. Knuckle bump.